I got to thinking, how many of you have been on the hunt for the perfect CRM system for your real estate investing business? I don't know if you're aware, but having the wrong system can set you back or actually even hurt your business, partially because you're missing information, you have incorrect data, you're trying to piece together information from multiple sources and platforms, which can lead to errors and ultimately lead to making bad business decisions. Well, we've all heard the phrase, you don't know what you don't know. And I'm sure many of us at some point have been running businesses without even really knowing our numbers and understanding the KPIs. So imagine if you had a system that allowed you to know all of your company metrics. Now let's take it a step further. Imagine all of that data in one user-friendly system. My friend, I want to introduce you to Left Main. With Left Main, you have two options: Left Main Basic and Left Main Plus, which includes integrated phone and text systems. Left Main is built on Salesforce, which is the world's #1 CRM platform, and it gives you the ability to customize your reports, your dashboards. You have KPI tracking, tons of automations, and all of your favorite integrations. Left Main's the only system guaranteed to grow with your business. So I want to invite you to visit leftmainrei.com/flipempire and schedule your free demo today so that you can experience the last CRM system you'll ever need. Head over to leftmainrei.com/flipempire and schedule your demo today.
Because most owners that aren't paying themselves consistently are operating from fear, from a place where they don't feel like they can make the best decisions. They're not making decisions from their purpose.
You're listening to Flip Empire, the show committed to helping real estate entrepreneurs who want to build their empire without sacrificing their life. Your success and freedom starts now with your host, Alex Pardo.
All those big epic sagas have three main characters that, like Luke, Han, Leia, and they've got, Harry, Ron, Hermione, always pushing the story forward for good, making sure these epic sagas have a happy ending on the other side, so that's where I feel like for your business, we need to have three main heroes, this golden trio for you, the entrepreneur, to say, this is worth it. Like my epic saga, my story that I'm telling, can have that good ending on the other side. So what are those three bank accounts? Number one, a profit account to open up. Specifically this is for you, the business owner, for your blood, sweat, and tears, the risk, the time, that you invest in the business. This should be your return on your money for investing and starting a business. Number two account is the owner's compensation. If you're sitting in a seat in your business, I don't care if you've just started it or you're doing 100 deals a month and you're still in some seat, you should be paying yourself something on a consistent basis to give yourself that stability, because most owners that aren't paying themselves consistently are operating from fear, from a place where they don't feel like they can make the best decisions. They're not making decisions from their purpose. Then the third account is the owner's tax. So exactly what you were talking about, Alex, like making sure that even if 4 years from now, if you got a tax bill and a file 1.5 inches thick, then you were able to pay taxes when they're due, and when to be saving for taxes throughout the year, instead of like, oh shoot, it's April 15th. I've got to close 4 deals now, and I've got to, file an extension, today. So that's where those three accounts though are all for the owner's benefit. Then another account to set up that you probably don't have already is called an income account. I call this the control account. This income is literally just a holding bucket that deposits come into, all deposits, and it sits there till you push it out, until you are intentional about transferring the money inside of that account to those other accounts that I just named, plus your OPEX account, which you already have open. So that's where you are now in control of saying, my money's coming in here, and I choose to place it in profit, in owner's comp, owner's tax, and OPEX. So that way I have control of my cash. So those are the 4 new accounts to open. Then you already have an operational expense account to pay the expenses of the business. So that's the foundational accounts. And like everyone always says, 5 accounts, are you nuts? Like that's the biggest pushback. And I'm saying like, okay, first of all, these accounts are for you, like the ones I'm opening, to give you control and to give you net cash profitability in your accounts and to pay you. Yeah, but besides that, if you can't do that, the whole point of the system is not to open bank accounts. It's to get into the habit of being profitable. So open one account, name it profit, and transfer 1% of your income, but just get into the habit of becoming a profitable business. So that's like the practical side, because then once you start doing that, you see your account start to grow, and now you see that mindset of like pay yourself first, and like sales minus profit equals expenses comes alive, and you say, oh, now I get it. Now the accounts are growing. Now I'm actually profitable. Now my accountant said like we made $50,000 net profit, and look in my account, I've got actual $50,000 profit in my profit account, so that I'm not just saying where'd all the money go every single year.
One last thing before you go. If you have been listening to the show for a while and or you have been getting value from the show, I would be 100% honored if you would share this show with a friend, or maybe share it with somebody that you think could benefit from this. It's my mission, it's my cause, it's my purpose through Flip Empire to impact and touch people's lives, to help people and in their businesses. So it would be an honor if you would be willing to share this episode. And one last thing, make sure that you're subscribed so that you get notified every Monday and Thursday when shows get released. I look forward to connecting with you on the next one. Until then, have a great day.